going on, guys? C. Robbie Rob here. About to open up the care package. MorfitR sent us a free hat, and so we're actually going to unravel it right here, right now, and show you guys what's up. So, got you set up. If you guys don't already know, I love my hats. Absolutely love them. So I'm excited for this one. Oh, let's see. They even got it double packaged. Look at this, guys. Awesome. Awesome. So there it is, guys. As you can see, Morfit, that logo, clean, guys. Really clean. I'm a big fan. Let's go. This is awesome. So this is, so you guys can see, this is the hat. I love it. Clean, clean, clean. We'll see how it looks. I don't know how I feel about the big poof, but we're just gonna put it on and see. So this is supposed to be a breathable hat and sweat resistant. And oh my God, oh, we're in business. Hang on, I kind of want to see what this looks like. Look this way. I never wear hats this way, so I'm interested to see. Dude, I kind of like it, and I had a feeling that I would like it because I saw they sent me some like pictures, and I checked out their page and stuff. But look at, I mean, I don't ever wear hats forward, and I was worried about this being too bulky, but it actually doesn't look bad. And obviously, like wearing the hat backwards, a great fit. Let's go. Hey, thank you so much for the hat. I appreciate it. I'm definitely gonna check out the other one because that other white one looks sick too. If this sweat resistance works and it is breathable enough for me, because I sweat a lot during my workouts, I'll definitely be buying some more. So thank you so much. And here you go. So you guys can see, it looks awesome.